Walmart had cheaper wood rounds than Dollar Tree. This is Lisa. Welcome or welcome back. If you want to craft your best life with me, then let's get started right now. I found this 7-inch wood round at Walmart, and then I've got these cute little popsicle sunglasses from the Dollar Tree. I think they're adorable. I've got a piece of scrapbook paper. This came out of a pad from Walmart, and I am going to use my antique wax by Waverly. I'm going to paint around the edges only. That's all you're going to see. Then I'm going to take the connecting piece that goes on a clothespin with some hot glue and attach it on the back and create a hanger, and I'll put a little piece of tape over the bottom of it just to secure it even more. It's a great way to make a hanger. I'm going to trace a circle onto the back side of my scrapbook paper and cut that out. I'm going to take my purple Elmer's glue. I love this stuff. And I'm just going to put it on. You can see where it's going so you won't miss any spots at all. And it does dry clear, so no worries about that. And I ordered that on Amazon in case anyone's looking for them. This is like a jumbo stick. And I'm going to put that piece that I cut out right on top of it and just center it. I will secure it with my brayer. And then I'm going to take a sanding sponge from the Dollar Tree and in a downward motion, go all the way around and just pull off a nice clean edge. Look at that, just came out perfect. I'm going to add some Mod Podge over the top to seal that in. Now I'm going to take the sunglasses, and it's super easy to do this. I'm just going to pull off the handles or the pieces that go over your ears. And then I'm going to add some hot glue to the back and just position the popsicles right on the wood round. I'm going to take a flower that I think is really beautiful that goes with it from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut off some of the stiff greenery in the back that kind of takes it apart. And I'm going to add back the petals one by one so that I can position the flower exactly how I want it. And then I've got this greenery from Amazon. I'm just going to pull off some pieces, clip off the ends, and hot glue them in there. Just so many on each side till I think it looks beautiful and full, and add a couple towards the top over the lenses on the glasses so you don't notice that as much. This was so easy, so quick and fun to do, and very budget friendly. I really love how it turned out. I think this would be a pretty easy one to do for anybody at any level, but it's a cute summer decor. What do you think? With this 7-inch wood round from Walmart, I'm going to take a scrunchie from the Dollar Tree that's patriotic. It's so pretty. I love those. And then I've got this wooden bead set with a little medallion on the end and a tassel from Dollar Tree as well. And this is going to be so easy. We're just going to remove the tags, place the little scrunchie, like the point where it meets the tails at the top, and then hot glue down the tails. We're going to create a shape that looks like wings with this. I just thought that would look so pretty. It's like a banner on wood, but kind of looks like wings, and the top of the scrunchie becomes the hanger. I mean, how easy is this? I'm just going to tack it down with a little bit of hot glue wherever I think it might move around, just to make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to cut off the medallion, and I'm going to put glue on the back of it and just place it right in the center of the two pieces, the two tails that are now wings. I just thought that was pretty. I'm also going to cut off the tassel, put some hot glue, and put that right under the little USA medallion. Now I'm going to take a red, white, and blue bead, and I'm just going to put them on the top in that order, red, white, and blue, just going towards the top where the little scrunchie round part is. That's now the hanger. And that is it. This was so easy. You could do this with kiddos or grandkids. I thought this came out adorable. Let me know what you think. Here I have another Walmart 7-inch wood round. I've got a little lantern from the Dollar Tree. It's got a little light inside of it. I thought these were so cute. And then I've got this toile contact paper that I got from the Dollar Tree. If you've watched my channel, you've seen me use this several times recently. I love that print. We're going to use some ink, Waverly chalk paint, and go just around the edges. That's all you're going to see. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint the very top and bottom of the lantern with that same ink paint, just black. You can use any black paint you want. There you go. And then I'm going to paint the body of the lantern in white, any white paint that you want. There you go. I'm going to show you how you just turn on the light. Isn't that adorable? I love these little lanterns. So cute. We're going to take the toile paper. I cut down a smaller piece. We're just going to lay it right on top, remove the backing, and just little by little put it on there and pull out the backing and just smooth it out. I'm going to use my brayer to do that as well as my hands. Such a small piece, it's very easy. Now you could paint that background white if you want. I noticed you can kind of see the wood through it, but it's really not that noticeable. So I'm okay with it this time. Then I'm going to take the sanding sponge and go around the edges again. This just makes a nice clean finish. Get rid of that excess paper, and it's just so much easier than using a knife to be super precise. This just really works well. See how nicely that comes apart? And I'll do that all the way around. And because I don't want to work with even excess paper, I will cut some of it off as I go. There it is, all finished. It looks beautiful. Now, I was deciding which way I want to put the lantern on, and I decided to turn this into kind of a sconce. So I cut off that little hanger. I put a twine hanger on the back with some hot glue and tape just to secure it. And then I'm just going to hot glue the lantern on the parts that are going to touch that wood round and create a beautiful little sconce. That way I can still access the switch to turn the light on and off. You could hang this on the wall, and there you've got a beautiful little sconce with a Walmart wood round and Dollar Tree lantern. How cute and easy is this? The hardest part was painting, which, as we know, isn't hard at all. Just have to wait for it to dry. I really love this one. You'll have to let me know what you think. This is going to be so easy. I've got the 7-inch wood round from Walmart. I've got this beautiful wood and metal star plaque that's patriotic from Dollar Tree, along with another bead set. This time it's got a heart with an American flag on it. I love these patriotic pieces that Dollar Tree has this year. I'm going to unscrew that wood piece. It was actually screwed on. That was a surprise. Usually they're just glued on. It was still glued on in the middle, but there were screws in it as well. So I just took that off. I'm going to hot glue that star right to the center of this wood round. I'm not even going to paint the wood round this time. I like the natural wood, but you most certainly could paint it. I think white would be pretty in this case. I'm going to arrange the beads all the way around. I notice I left them on the string. It's so much easier and faster to do this, and I did have to add a couple beads at the top. So I'm going to start gluing the beads one at a time all the way around to make sure it's nice and secure. Very easy. I mean, this is just like a pick an item and glue type of project. I love those once in a while. It's just nice to have something quick and easy to do. Didn't that come out cute? I love the way it looks so far. Now we are going to put this nautical rope. It's a 3 kind of strand nautical rope from Dollar Tree. I am going to glue it all the way around just to kind of finish it off. It almost gives it like a coastal patriotic look, which I love that coastal look. And I know a lot of you do too. So you don't have to add this rope if you don't want to, or you could add a different kind of rope that doesn't give the coastal vibe. But I decided to just go ahead and do this. I'm going to take a single strand of that 3-strand rope, and I'm just going to make a hanger on the back with some hot glue and tape like I usually do, just to secure it and make sure, that nothing moves anywhere. So easy. This one is all done. Literally, this probably took me 10-15 minutes most to make. I love it. You could put it anywhere in your house. You could even put it in the center of a wreath. I think that would be beautiful right on your door. Let me know what you think. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye!